Hi everyone, I'm Jayden Carson, here with Channel 101 News, that's right. Here we have Dr. Dirty, our guest star, ladies and gentlemen, alright, yeah. Alright. No applause? We got one. Alright. So Doctor, what are we studying today?
Let me see here. I need to get the schematics. I believe we are studying the Addictus rubix cubus. It's an indigenous animal of Southern California.
Wow, that's fascinating.
Mama! Mama!
Oh, excuse me.
Mama! Mama!
Alright.
Some people have no respect, I know.
Yeah.
Mama! Mom!
Hi. Oh, I'm kind of filming right now. Yeah. It's been the past, like, 20 years. Yeah, the nature show. You know? You don't know? Yeah. Well, I'm a nature documentary.
On with the show!
Wait a second. Okay, well, I gotta go. I'll call you later. Oh, okay. Love you too, bro. Okay, bye. Sorry.
Yes, I understand. Oh, anyway, what are we learning? Oh, you already said it.
The Addictus rubix cubus, indeed. So, it only comes out at certain hours of the day, and it appears, let me check my phone. I'm not calling anyone, don't worry.
I know.
It appears it's 5 o'clock, so we better get out of there, because it's feeding hours are becoming...
We better go.
Yeah.
Let's hop to it.
Wait, before we go.
Yes.
Did you know that when once Chuck Norris played Jenga, the result was the Empire State Building?
That's beautiful.
Yeah. Chuck Norris, truth about Chuck Norris, 400 facts about the world's greatest man.